So today guys, I'll be sharing with you on how to make this very delicious egg soup. See, if you're hearing about this soup for the first time, you have been missing. This soup is so delicious. See, if you don't even like swallow, just make yourself an egg soup. You are going to eat swallow every day. This has been a staple in my home right from when growing up. My brother is an expert in making egg soup. See, you should definitely be interested in this one because this is so good. So make sure to watch this video to the end and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below because I share amazing recipes like this. Yeah. So let's go right into the recipe. So into my pan, I'll be heating up some palm oil. So we're going to allow this to get hot before adding in our chopped onions. I'm going to allow these onions fry for a while so it can release all its flavor for you in this oil. Once this is done, I'll be going in with my deboned mackerel fish. You can use any fish of choice, but just use your mackerel fish. Just keep it simple. So I'm going to allow the mackerel fish fry in this oil too. This is one soup recipe you should try out when you want to really enjoy eating swallow because this is so good. So I'm just stirring up the mackerel fish so that it can evenly fry and release its flavor for you in this oil. Next, now I'm going in with my tomato mix, and this is a combination of fresh tomatoes and different types of peppers. Yes. I have a video on how I make my pepper mix. So if you're interested in that, so do it to check it out. But that was not spicy enough. So I'm adding a little bit of scotch bonnet pepper to this. So I'm going to stir this together and allow this to fry. Feel free to use the quantity of peppers you can tolerate, but make sure it should be at least about a mixture of two because combined together they give an amazing taste. So after a while, this has significantly fried for a while. So I'm going in with my seasoning powder. At this point, I'll go on and add in my salt. Proceed to stir everything together to combine. At this point, if you're not getting a very nice aroma from this, just go back to the drawing board. Something is missing. Yes, something is missing. So what I'm going to add now is my cleaned shrimps. You know this doesn't take time to cook, so we are adding it towards the end of this cooking. So after that, just go in with your crayfish, lots of crayfish. Yes, just adding your crayfish to this. Trust me on this, guys. Add in your crayfish. Stir everything together. Let this cook for a while, guys. You definitely need to try add this egg soup. About 2 minutes later, just go on and add in your eggs. And for the eggs, I mix it with seasoning powder and little salt because you want your eggs tasty as well. Cover this up and allow the eggs to solidify, yes, before you begin to break it up. And back to the eggs, look at this, guys. Just take a look at this. So proceed to stir everything all together now. Just be careful when you do that because you don't want it to totally pieces. You just want it to have this lump-like shape. You might even think this is an egusi soup if they don't tell you. So I'm just stirring this up so that everywhere can cook. So you're going to leave this for additional 3 to 5 minutes for the eggs to cook properly. See, guys, after a while, this is what it should look like. I know you like what you see, but this is already looking so delicious, and the aroma from this is so good. So I'm just going to stir this all together. At this junction, you can decide to just turn off your heat and say, I'm done. But that's not all, guys. Because what is a soup without any type of vegetable at all? So I'll just proceed now to add in my vegetables. And the vegetables I use here is fluted pumpkin. Just feel free to use any vegetable of choice. You can even use your spinach. You can decide to blanch it first. That is up to you. So just add generous amounts of your vegetable to this soup. I will just cover up my pan and allow the vegetable to cook. Just in less than no time. This is ready, guys. Just proceed to stir this all together. Just take a look at how this is already looking so lovely, right? Please, guys, just give this a try. This is so good, and the aroma of this is on point. So just proceed to stir everything all together, and your egg soup is ready. See, you might even be thinking that it's a greasy soup if they don't tell you, but just have a taste of this. You realize that soup day. So to finish this off, I'll be serving this with yellow eba. You can decide to serve with any swallow of choice. That is up to you. This is so good, and I want you to try it out. And for watching this recipe to this point, that means you have enjoyed this. Please do well to subscribe to the button below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Love you guys. Bye.